Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your publication's theme on Substack. This is a fantastic way to personalize your newsletter and make it stand out with your own branding and style. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your Substack dashboard smoothly. After you've successfully logged in, you'll see the main interface of Substack. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Dashboard. This will take you to the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your publication, from posts to analytics and settings. From the dashboard, look again to the left side and click on Settings. This is where all the customization magic happens. The settings area gives you control over various features of your publication, including how it looks and feels to your readers. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you find an option labeled Website. This section is specifically designed for adjusting how your publication appears to visitors. Keep scrolling until you spot it, as it might be nestled among other configuration options. Once you're in the website section, look for Publication Theme. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu beside it. Click on that drop-down and make sure it's set to Custom Theme. This step is crucial because it unlocks the full theme editor, allowing you to personalize every visual aspect of your publication. After selecting Custom Theme, you'll see a button that says Go to Website Theme Editor. Click on it to open up the editor interface. This is where you'll spend most of your time crafting the look and feel of your Substack. The theme editor is divided into two main areas. On the left side, you'll see different sections of your publication listed, and on the right side, you'll have all the customization tools available for whatever section you select. Let's start by clicking on Homepage from the left menu. Once selected, the right side will display options to adjust the background color, accent color, typography, and images. Take your time experimenting with these settings to find a combination that represents your brand perfectly. Next, let's click on Header in the left menu. The header is the top part of your publication that visitors see first, so it's important to get it right. Here you can add a logo, include a word mark, adjust the layout, and customize the navigation menu. Once you're happy with your header design, make sure to click Save to preserve your changes. You'll want to repeat this process for other sections like Hero and Footer. The Hero section is typically the prominent area on your homepage that grabs attention, while the footer contains important links and information at the bottom of your pages. Each section has its own set of customization options, so explore them thoroughly and save your changes as you go. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Substack publication's theme to match your unique style and branding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.